Hello, in this video we will be showing you how to search for journals on the Oxford University Journals resource. On the main page of the Oxford University Journals, there are a number of ways in which you can look to see what journals are available. If you click on the Journals A to Z tab, it'll take you to the following page where the journals are broken down into alphabetical order. If you click on the Journals by Subject tab, a drop-down menu will appear giving you 5 subjects to choose from. So for example, if you click law, it'll bring you to the following page providing journals in relation to law in alphabetical order. But for this following exercise, we will click on the Advanced Search button, which can be found on the top right of the screen next to the search bar. You should now find yourself on the following page. On the left side of the screen, you will notice the Advanced Search menu. Scroll down that menu on the left-hand side until you come across the Availability section. To get results of journals that are available for you, click on Open Access, Free and Available. You will now notice that the Advanced Search section has now been changed to Modify Your Search. In the search bar underneath Modify Your Search, type in the keyword or term you wish to search for in order to be given relevant results of journals in relation to your subject. So for the following example, we will type in nursing and click on the Add Term button. Once you have done that, click on the Update button next to it. You will now see that the results section will automatically change on screen. You can arrange the results page by clicking on the Relevance tab, and you'll be given the options to arrange by date newest first or by date oldest first. You can also modify your search by format, be it journal articles or images in relation to the keyword or term you're searching for, article type, be it a research or review article or case report or even a book review, to name but a few options. You can also modify your search by subject, such as law, medicine and health, and you can also modify it by journals. You can even modify your search by setting in a date range in the publication date section, like narrowing down your results to be more recent and relevant to your search. For example, by searching between 2019 to 2021. For the next part, we will click on one of the results to access the journal. For this example, we will just click on the top article to be taken to the following page. You'll be given a brief abstract of what this journal is about, as well as the name of the journal and the article it is from. To view a journal article, simply click on the PDF button to view the article in a PDF format.